Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with another episode of Live Trading with Guillermo. This recording is on one of my evaluation accounts. I'm about 30 minutes in. As you see, I might be a little late to the party. The market has been going up, as you can see. All that white would have been some excellent trades to be in. So I was in the market earlier on one of my other accounts. It took a loss. Then it recovered, so I only netted about 300. So I'm still on track. I'm within 300 of meeting my funded trader goal. So I'm almost there, about $300 more and I'll be done. So now I'm hoping that this upward trend continues. So I got my automation on full auto. I think there's still enough steam going up that we can catch it. And if for some reason we don't, we'll catch it on the way down. So, but I think we have a good chance of catching it going up. Just a reminder, everybody, I try to go between 500 and 1,000. But sometimes if the momentum is really good, I like to go more than that. So we're in a trade right now. And it's kind of hesitating a little bit. So we might have already hit the top. Oh, no, wait. Okay, so this might be a tough one, okay? It might reverse on us. We might have already been at the peak of the market. But sometimes you just got to hang in there, okay? The temptation now might be to say, oh, I'm going to hit flat, take my loss, and be done. Or maybe wait for the software to reverse. But this is the ones for that trade that will really test your faith in the process and the automation. So I am not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it be because I think there's still enough momentum to go up. As you notice, we haven't seen a wick go too far down on so far in this series of movements. So I think it's still going up. So we'll see. We're just going to hang in there. I'm going to let it ride for a little bit. And there we go. See? So we're up. That would have been a tough one. Most people would not be patient enough to stick with it. So I'm glad I did. I'm up. And this is good enough. I mean, I could take flat right here. But I think I'm going to keep going. I'm going to see what it does. I think we can squeeze a little bit more out of this. It's still not wanting to go down, so I'm gonna let it see if we can squeeze just a little bit more. Just a reminder, everybody, I do shoot for 500 and 1,000, but we'll see. Definitely gonna go for more, I think, today. I'm working on, so I have 3 funded accounts at 50,000 apiece. I have a 4th one that I'm so close. I'm within $300 of meeting that. And then this is my 5th one that I'm working on. So this one, after today's trade, we'll see. Maybe I'll get close to maybe half of the goal. and we'll see where it goes today. So far, so good. You know, I did not hit flat. I resisted any temptation to kind of take profits too early. And it's been paying off. So sometimes you just got to be disciplined. You know, we're tempted, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit because I just don't want to give up too much of my profit. But you know, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. So I'm not totally out yet. I turned off my bot just in case I want to get back in. So I'm gonna see what it does because the market's way up right now, and this is the highest it's been in a very, very long time. So I'm looking for a pullback. And if I see that pullback, I'm going to turn it back on again. So remember, full auto, you can just let it be and have it take trades on its own. Like right now, we'd probably be in a trade. But we'll see. I'm not always in a big rush to try to jump in on every trade. It's not necessary. Like I said, 630 is well within my limit, so I'm just kind of keeping an eye on it. I'm not under any sort of pressure to jump in at all. So I'm literally done. And if I see a good opportunity, I'm gonna take it. If not, I'm gonna shut down this video and call it a day. So we'll see. We'll see where we go from here. As always, you see I have my Apex ID on here. So these are prop trading accounts. So I'm working through an evaluation to get these funded. So just remember, if you're using live funds, a live account, just stick to your risk management, be disciplined, and make sure you take profit when those profits are available to you, and trade another day. No need to get carried away and things like that. So just as I thought, I'm starting to see that pullback, and I think this is going to be an opportunity for us to get back in. This is kind of like my this is something I look for, is when you have those highs, there's usually some sort of pullback, and as you can see the trend line there that the software paints for us, I think this is going to be it. I think we're going to be able to jump in, but we'll see. I mean, okay, so I made a move, quite a big move actually. Okay, so we're in a trade. So I think we're catching it on the way down. Once it hits that runner, I'm going to take my profit pretty quickly, just to make sure there's no reversal for me, just so I can keep on going and bank my profits. So we'll see. I'm going to get ready here pretty soon. Yeah, see, here we go. So I'm going to close up that stop loss. Don't need that. But I'm going to get ready to hit flat here as soon as it starts to reverse. Let's see if we can squeeze just a little bit more. So my morning is about to wrap up here. I'm just kind of waiting to see what it does. Once it starts to change direction, I'll just flatten out and call it a day. Okay, wow. Okay, I did not have enough time to hit flat. So we're in a trade, but the automation is taking a trade in the opposite direction. So as you can see, the background is purple, but the bot took a trade on the way up, and it killed it. Look at that. Wow. So it made it. So I'm getting ready to hit flat here and be done. So we got 1650. Yeah, that's going to be it, folks. As soon as I hit flat and turn on my bot, I'm done. So we'll see what the total ends up. But other than that, have a great day. Happy trading. And please be on the lookout for the next video. So let's see where we end up, though, real quick. 14.95. So that's it. Well, again, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.